Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have a few healthcare, like medical records jobs. I know some of you are looking for like healthcare positions. I have some high-paying phone customer service jobs. Phone customer service jobs seems to be the easiest remote work from home jobs to get. I even have a non-phone customer service job that is literally answering emails, and they are also paying $1,500 upfront for a sign-on bonus just to get you started. So of course we're going to dive all in. Links to all the pages I'm sharing if you want to read reviews on these companies, get those applications in, timestamps, all the additional information you may need is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, though, we have the company Healthmark Group. Now, Healthmark Group has 75 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a medical records processing specialist. Now, this does pay $15 to $16 an hour. And please note, it does say that it is remote. Now, Healthmark Group is based out of Texas. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. So if they don't state that they have any state restrictions, I don't have any additional information as far as if they hire in all states of the United States. But regardless, Healthmark Group is looking for somebody to basically process medical records request that comes in. You're going to be doing this in a high volume and fast-paced environment, so you have to really be able to multitask, but you will also assist in the overflow of processing these medical records due to high volume issues, coverage issues. And since you're touching medical records, you're going to have to follow HIPAA guidelines, making sure that you keep all of the protected health information confidential. And so you'll have to maintain a consistent schedule by processing all incoming medical records requests within 24 to 48 hours of receipt, providing any feedback as needed to your leadership. Now, what this means is that people want to receive either their own copies of their medical records or other people are trying to get medical records. So maybe a doctor's office or something, another provider is trying to get a medical records release of a patient that was seen here. And maybe it is a parent of a patient. Those requests for those medical records come in and they have to be checked to verify that the person requesting the medical record is legally allowed to have access to that patient's medical record before you can release that information. So you'll have to make sure that all the correct paperwork is on file and things like that. And so I'm not sure, it doesn't say how these requests are coming in, if you're going to be on the phone and taking phone calls or if they're coming in some kind of electronic manner. You'll have to ask them that at the time of the interview. But they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who's a fast learner, who can multitask, be a team player with a positive attitude, and someone who can be dependable. If you don't mind being on the phone and doing customer service work for the right price, BeatBox Beverages might be for you. Now, please note they only have 17 reviews from past and current employees, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do come highly rated from those 17 people, though, at a 4.4 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a customer service specialist. Of course, this is remote, but pay is anywhere from $55,000 a year up to $62,500 a year, plus bonuses, even if you get that low-end $55,000 mark. Please remember there's only 52 weeks in a year, so that's over $1,000 a week for basic customer service. And that is what you're going to be doing. You're going to basically respond to customer inquiries that come in through phone, email, chat, and social media related to marketing campaigns, promotions, or products. So you're going to just provide these customers with correct information regarding any marketing initiatives, discount on the products, offers, or product details themselves, assisting them with maybe placing orders, tracking orders, or making order returns, just troubleshooting and resolving all of the customer issues that come in. So standard customer service here, of course, they only require a high school diploma or GED. While they say if you have a higher level education degree, that's a plus, not required though, as long as you have 1 to 3 years of customer service experience. Somebody who is familiar with customer service software, like customer management software, somebody who has great communication skills, can be a problem solver, can be patient and professional with those customers. And of course, you have to have great attention to detail and great time management skills. Now, another position hiring in the healthcare field is going to be Maximus. Maximus does a lot of government contracts. So they have 5,400 reviews on Glassdoor with a stated overall employee satisfaction score of 3.4 out of 5 stars. However, please note the banner at the top of their Glassdoor page says Glassdoor has been alerted that Maximus or somebody has taken steps to try to artificially inflate this rating. So again, do your own research on companies. But regardless, Maximus is hiring a clinical records coordinator remote for the United States. So this position is basically going to be handling all the paperwork. You're going to be responsible for tracking policies, procedures, work instructions, forms, or other resources through their controlled document process. You're going to have to use tools such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, PDF Reader, and also software programs like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, communicating just any information in a clear, concise manner. But you're really going to ensure that these documents that you're tracking are within their controlled document system. So making sure the documents are into the system. If not, you'll have to enter them. And you'll manage appropriately, making sure they're updated according to the approved process. You'll identify and classify all documents based on document type. So you're basically tagging these documents with what kind of type they are. Are they related to like legal accreditation, different things like that? So you're going to administer user account in the management system, making sure people's new users or new usernames are created in the systems, and archiving old users in the system, making sure the appropriate people can access these documents while people who should not have access no longer can access them. Now, they only require a high school diploma and 2 to 4 years of some kind of relevant experience. No college degree is needed. You do have to be able to use those software systems like Adobe and Microsoft Office, have strong communication skills, strong time management skills, and somebody who can multitask. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom, though. It's anywhere from $20 an hour up to $25 an hour, depending on your location and experience. Next up, we have the company 1A Auto Parts hiring. They have 122 reviews with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service representative for their email and chat. So this is going to be non-phone customer service. Please note on their website, when this first loads, you'll get this little video. You have to scroll right under that. But they are offering a $1,500 sign-on bonus. That means when you sign on to be employed in this position, you get that $1,500 up front. It is fully remote, but they are looking for somebody to work Eastern Standard Time shifts. So if you're outside the Eastern Standard Time, please make sure you convert your time zone to see if these hours will work for you. They're really looking for somebody, though, to work 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., so kind of like second shift, 4 days a week, having 1 day a week off, and then working every Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. At least the Saturday is the daytime shift, so you still have your Saturday evenings to go out to dinner with your family or whatever. But please note, you do have to work Saturdays with this one, even though it is a non-phone position. But they're basically an auto parts store, and you are going to be that basic customer service, answering those emails and those website chats, just helping the customer with whatever they need. Maybe they need to order parts, return parts. Maybe they need parts looked up. They need to know what part they even need for a specific make, model, something like that. You are just going to learn the software used by the company to help navigate listings, locate customer information, and look up data about products to help the customer. And then, of course, you'll answer, respond to those emails emails or those chats, letting them know what products or parts that they need. This only requires a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 3 years of customer service experience in some kind of high volume environment. Somebody who has strong typing, spelling, and grammar skills, that's a must, because all of the information you're going to be relaying to the customer is going to be in written form. Of course, you have to be able to use a computer and the internet, and they say it is a plus if you have like parts experience or knowledge. Not required though, just customer service knowledge is required. Along the parts knowledge department though, we also have advanced auto parts hiring. They have 42 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an e-commerce phone support operator. Again, this is remote for the United States, but you will be helping the customer on the phone. Now, this one is also Eastern Standard Time Zone hours, but the difference with this one is they want somebody who actually lives in the Eastern Time Zone, not somebody who will just work those hours. But again, this is basic customer service for a parts store. You're going to help take customer issues, help find them the parts that they need, help them with website navigation or technical support if they need website technical support. You'll close sales, upsell them products, process their credit card payments, and de-escalate any issues if they are having any complaints. So you are just providing guidance with the online shopping experience. So you are basically doing the customer service only for the website, not for the people that are in stores. Now, they are looking for somebody who has great communication skills, who can multitask and type at least 45 words per minute. They are looking for somebody who can work on the weekends. Their shifts run Sunday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And so they're really looking for somebody who is available to work nights, weekends, holidays, different things like that. And of course, somebody who has great problem-solving skills. Please note with this one, you do have to pass a background check. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It is anywhere from $13.50 an hour up to $15.25 an hour. And another decently high-paying customer service job is Wilson Language Training. Again, this company only has 11 reviews, so do your own research, but they have 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer success specialist. And of course, this is a language training company. They have different programs for language literacy, people trying to learn a new language. And so basically you are just engaging with the customers, resolving their requests and complaints both through phone and email. You are really going to be trying to minimize churn of customers, trying to keep the customer loyal and adopting the renewals and expansions. So making sure that the customer stays a customer. So you are really helping them with any products, services like sales support, building and maintaining those customer relationships that you can. It's just basic customer service whenever the customer comes in needing. That is what you are dealing with. They are looking for somebody who has a passion for customer service, who can be patient and an active listener. You have some kind of a customer service skills where you can like de-escalate situations. So great attention to detail, great listening skills, great organizational skills, and somebody who can use those basic computer systems, learn new software quickly. Now, they do either prefer a bachelor degree or related work experience. So if you have customer service experience, and pay for this one is anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $64,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.